Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I request you to please click on the subscribe button before continuing with this video. For today's recipe, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil. So the oil is hot, I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 garlic cloves, 2 green chillies, 2 medium-sized onions. I'm going to now fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes until the onions become nice and brown. After about 4 minutes, while the color of the onion changes, I'm now going to add some ginger to it. Along with that, I'm going to add 3 medium-sized tomatoes. I'm then going to mix it really well with the onions. After stirring it well, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to stir this really well. After stirring it well, I'm going to now let this cook for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to now switch off the flame and let this cool down so I can grind this mixture. After letting it cool down, as you can see here, I've grinded this mixture. In the very same pan which I had used earlier, I'm going to add some butter. After that, I'm going to add the mixture which we had grinded earlier. After adding the mixture, I'm going to mix it well with the butter. For about 1 minute, I'm then going to add 500 grams of skinless chicken. I'm going to then mix this well and ensure that the chicken pieces get coated well with the gravy. After coating the chicken well with the gravy, I'm now going to add the salt as per taste while keeping in mind that I've already added some salt earlier to the gravy. After mixing it well with the salt, I'm now going to switch the flame from medium flame to low flame, and I'm going to let the chicken cook for a good period of 15 minutes with the lid on. After 15 minutes, I've now removed the lid and I'm going to add about 1/2 glass of water to it. After adding the water, I'm just going to mix this once. I'm then going to add some crushed fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi to it. With the fenugreek leaves, I'm also going to add some butter. And lastly, some considerable quantity of cream. I'm then going to mix this well. After mixing it, I'm then going to once again cover it with the lid and let it cook for a period of 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, you can just check if the chicken is tender. If it is, you can then add some nice coriander leaves which really add to the taste of the dish. You can then mix it well. And you can then switch off the flame. So if you did like this recipe, I request you to please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.